Hey, what is up guys? Today I got another unboxing to do of a watch from a company called AMKCP. Sort of a funky name, but this is actually a fairly new company. They were founded in 2016 and they're based in San Diego, California, which is awesome. Now, they actually make a lot of cool products. I checked their website out and they make stuff from watches to sunglasses and even phone cases. And yeah, so they have two watch collections, and the one I have here is from their, I'm not sure how to pronounce it. It's the Monde collection, the Monde. But that's that. And this watch right here retails for $110 at the time of filming. Prices may vary over time, but this is its set price. Now, I do have a 15% off discount code, and that is in the description box down below. So if you use that, you can get 15% off your entire purchase, which is awesome. So at the end of the video, if you want to use that, pick this watch up or any other product on their website, go ahead and do that. That'll be awesome. So, just a disclaimer, I have been wearing this watch for a little over a week now, just to give my honest opinion and review. But I just want to do sort of an unboxing to show you what comes in the box, and it's fairly simple packaging, nothing too fancy here. And interestingly, the watch just comes in this pouch, which I've never really seen before. And here is the watch. And this is a sort of light brown strap and the silver stainless steel with the white dial. And I really love that sort of blue accent you get with the sort of two dials here and the second hand. Looks really modern and clean. But we'll put that off to the side. And you just get a AMKCP branded cleaning cloth if you want to polish up your watch. And that's it for the box here. So nothing too special. Now let's take a look at the watch. Really beautiful watch here, very modern. Simple design here, I really like that. It is a 42mm case size, so it's not too big or too small for me personally. And the lug width here, if you do want to use your own straps, it is a 22mm lug width, and you can change the strap as well. So you just pull down this pin, take it out, add your own strap. Really simple to do, I love that. It is genuine leather, and I actually really like this font that they use here. That's a sort of a clean font there. Get your AMKCP branding. And this, again, genuine leather strap. Some really nice stitching. Now, this leather strap, it doesn't feel great by any means, but it doesn't feel cheap either. It's just one of those leather straps you get on a lot of these sort of mid-range priced watches. So keep that in mind. But overall, I don't mind it too much. It's a fairly nice quality leather strap. Now, the movement inside here, it is a Miyota quartz movement. It is battery powered. And this watch is 5 ATM water resistant, so if you do want to wash your hands with this watch, or you accidentally get dunked in a pool, you should be fine, but just don't, go swimming with this watch by any means. And the cover glass on front, it is a mineral crystal. So it's not sapphire, but again, you're paying $110 for this watch, so you're not expecting too much here, right? But really nice overall construction, very nice build quality, nothing rattling around. It is a very solid watch, pretty nice weight to it, fairly light, not too heavy. And yeah, so you got your stainless steel polished buckle here. You could polish that up here. Actually, let me do that because I kind of fingerprinted that up. There we go. All right, and on the back, it says stainless steel, AMKCP. Really nice. You get your crown on the side there. And taking a close look at the dial, you could see the AMKCP branding on top. And something I've never seen before on previous watches is that the hour markers here are actually sort of indented into the actual dial itself. So that's kind of cool. And you can see you get your two dials here. And these are, I believe it was the month and a day, which I've never seen. Pretty unique. Is it the month and day? Actually, I believe so. I've never taken a close look at this. Or excuse me, it's actually the day of the week. So it says Friday, Saturday, all the way around here. And then the day as well. So I actually never adjusted these. I only adjusted the time. So yeah, that's cool. And yeah, you get your hour hand and minute hand markers. And then you get your sort of blue second hand. And I really love this color combination. Very beautiful here. Alright, so let's put this on the wrist, show you what it looks like. Now again, I've been wearing this for over a week, and I actually really enjoyed it. The first day I wore this watch, the leather was definitely stiff, and it was kind of a little bit difficult to get on, but again, with any sort of leather strap on a watch, it will loosen up over time. And it's sort of loosened up already, so that's good. So that's that. It looks really clean here, right? Really nice stitching on the leather. Beautiful watch here. And it's definitely one of those watches where, you know, some people sort of glance at it just to try and make sure, just to like try and check out what kind of watch it is. Because, you know, there is a lot of watch enthusiasts out there in the public, so once you wear this watch, they sort of give it a little glance, and it's one of those watches that catches the eye, you know? I really love the white dial. It looks really clean and modern, so it's one of those watches where you could just wear formally or casually, and that's a bonus for me. So yeah, very durable, not too heavy, not too light, very nice feel to it. Even with the long sleeve, it doesn't catch on anything, it's perfectly fine. And yeah, so I have really no complaints with this watch other than the fact that this leather strap just feels a little bit cheap for me, but it's not bad by any means. It's definitely a pretty good quality strap for the price of this watch. So yeah. Again, $110, and I do have the $15% discount code, so you can get 15% off your entire purchase. So that's in the description box down below. So check that out, guys. And yeah, so that's it for me. If you have any questions or comments, leave it down in the comment box down below. And yeah, if you like this video, leave a like. If you want to see more, subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.